Introducing the 2008 Ford Expedition EL. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power front seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, and leather upholstery. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.